are the triangles similar? Well, based on what they tell us, we've got this side equaling that same side over there. You've got equal angles, and additionally, we've got a shared reflexive side. So what we've got is side angle side. Okay, so we already know it's similar, so I'm going to cross out the things that aren't true. It's not D, triangles aren't similar. It's not side, side, side that you use. Okay, so it's one of these, and now let's see how we can sort this out. What we're really going to do is say, start at this vertex, go along the one with the single angle mark to D, and then go up that purple reflexive side to B. So ADB. So ADB, similar to, and now we're going to, it's basically a reflection of it on the other side. We're going to do it on this side. Again, this vertex along the one with the single angle mark, up the one with the two pinks, that's the reflexive side. So C to D to B, C to D to B. And if you did that, you'd see that, that's actually what A is. And you don't need to think about rearranging or starting from a different vertex because that's already what they offered us.